Hi guys, how you doing? So this is my first Windows 2010 video. I'm just recording my first video after installing and upgrading from Windows 7 to Windows 2010. This is a Windows 2010. Here you go. So the start menu looks like this, and it's very easy. You can easily customize the way it actually works. You can do this. You can do this. Very nice. File Explorer is come down here, for example. You can also like click here and File Explorer, right click here and click Properties. You can go to something old if you're familiar with. You go. This is my Windows 10 Alienware. All right. Okay, let's just go in here. The speed on this is actually really nice. I've had a lot of problems with Windows 10, which I'll come down to the end of this. I might actually just put it on my blog on Husham.com, and you guys can actually take a look. Okay, take a look. So, for example, if we go into Kodi, and let's just take a look at how Kodi reacts right now. Everything has been upgraded. Everything. And so they've done a very nice job in the upgrade, but they've done a very bad job in the compatibility. See, Kodi works well. Yeah, so here we go. But people, you don't want just Kodi, you want like recording and Sound Blaster and all that sort of thing. Actually, I've had a lot of problems with the sound. I've had a lot of problems with the desktop. So let's just take one step at a time. So first of all, I'm going to show you here manage. So you click Start, right click here and Manage to see. Here we go. Here's my information. Let's go Device Manager. And here's Device Manager. I hope you can all see this. But if you get too many devices in here, just right click on them and update. Or right click here and uninstall. Like in my audio input and output, I've got too many of them. I'm gonna have to go through them to find out which one is not required. And I actually did go through some of the Wi-Fi ones, for example, and I had to go and remove a couple of them. So the upgrade, even though that was working fine in Windows 7, not sure why Windows 10 is not happy with it. So the next thing is that what you want to see inside Windows 10 is like it's very easy to uninstall things. So for example, if I were to go into all apps, which you can see here, this is very nicely laid up, and you can just click on one of the applications, you right click on it and click uninstall. It's very simple. There's no requirement to go to Control Panel, Application, Programs, or uninstall. Oh god! So that was a bit of a loop for some of you guys. When I got the blue screen of death, I was really annoyed with Microsoft. I had to give them a phone call, and they didn't help at all. Not to mention, their phone call system was actually not working very well. So I got also what you get. What you also get with this, it's also Microsoft Edge. You're going to say, what's this Microsoft Edge? Well, Microsoft Edge is the new Microsoft Internet Explorer. So basically, they removed Internet Explorer completely, and they called it Edge. Just like they removed Windows 9, which doesn't exist anymore, to Windows 10. No idea why they didn't create Windows 8 to Windows 9. They created just Windows 10, because Windows 10 is so much better than it should be called Windows 10. Okay, well, that's direct quote. So let's just say, take a look at CNN, for example. There's CNN. Okay, let's go to here. So you can see it's very simple to navigate. BBC. Yeah, it comes up with Bing. You can actually change that. Let's see if Bing actually does find me. Husham. I've got Husham who comes here. Alright, so you can sign in as well with Bing. So it's a little bit different, this Bing and this search. This whole thing is different. It looks like more of a Google actually than Bing. Now they've actually speeded up the Internet Explorer, or Edge now. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. See, it's Edge. It's very simple, very fast. But only time will tell if Windows 10 will have a very fast internet on Edge. I'm gonna still use Chrome. I prefer Chrome. I'm used to it. What am I supposed to do? Now the other thing is, of course, you got the options for Xbox, movies, miscellaneous. So let's go movies and TV shows. Oh, I hope it doesn't show a lot of different things here. Okay, so these are all my movies and TV shows. Xbox. You can show my Xbox stuff. Let's see if it detects my Xbox. Oh, it detects my account. There you go. Oh, it didn't detect my account. Close that. Go away, Xbox. Right. The other thing is, it does seem that it's much more stable inside the CPU and performance. Let's take a look at the task manager. It's not actually looking well. There you go. The CPU wise, it's actually using only 11% out of 3 gigahertz. Okay. Memory wise, it's using up 3.3 gigabyte. Disk wise, it's using a lot of disks activity, so there's not too much disk activity. I'm going to see what's it all about. So here, this is how you manage it. Okay, so it's got loads of services, so you can see they're all like using up how many megawatts they're using and everything. Now the other thing is that you need to know is that there is of course the functionality which you already know about this if you have Windows 8. You click on startup and you just check it out here which one you want to disable. So if let's say you want to disable this, yeah, just disable it. So I've already disabled this one, for example, of the SSC service utility. That's for my Epson printer. I don't need it to start up every time I'm coming online, so I've disabled it. And that wasn't causing actually the issue of the blue screens. The blue screens I had to actually diagnose with the following. I went to, well, let's first explain. So under Windows, if I go to Manage, so start File Explorer, right click on File Explorer, click on Manage, then you get this screen here. Oh no, not the Manage, so I'm in the wrong place. Click on Properties, sorry, not Manage. Alright, so I'm here. You click on Advanced Settings, Advanced System Settings. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but I think the writing has been changed to very small. So I'll click on Startup and Recovery, and I've changed the kernel memory to small because I just want a small memory dump. Just want to know the actual fault. You can change it to complete or kernel, just so you can actually see what if there is something excessive. But here, small memory dump is there, and it says that the memory dump is located here. So here. Now, just type in this. Mini dump. There we go. Here's all the mini dumps for today only. This is the ones that have been generated. You can see the dates. Because I've been deleting them and been copying them over using a USB drive and using another system. The way that I did that is, of course, oh, by the way, there's a snap functionality here inside Windows 10. So you can hear there's a snap up, snap corners. It's like go snap corners, and you click here. No, don't know how it works, but there is a snap, and go on it. See, it goes to every single corner. Snap is very nice. So let's go to snap. Now, once you've got that, then you go to you load up basically this one. I'll actually give you the URL how do you install this. Let's go to snap. Here we go, snap. Now, okay, so I just basically load this into here. Now, unfortunately, you can't just drag and drop, so you're gonna have to use this. Also, you have to put in the simple path. I'll put in this simple path, symbols path, and then now you put in open crash dump. What's a crash dump? Oh, okay, and just pick one of them, and it will actually run this crash dump for you. Yeah, and it's actually still running. Just gonna investigate it. Gonna download the symbols. It's loading kernel symbols. It's actually downloading the symbols from Microsoft because that's what I told it to. Go and download them, store them on the computer as well. It says okay, here we go. So it's found me an error, and I can analyze it now. Go on, go do it. Analyze the bloody hell out of it. But that's the point. That's how I did it. Every computer is different, of course. Because my system is an Alienware, I will show you what I have got. Let me see if I can. Yeah, set this to default. Just close this. Dell. No, not Dell. Alienware drivers. Yeah. Support Alienware. Okay, so I'm coming down to the Alienware website. Let's go to the. It says here you have to visit the Dell website. So I'm clicking the Dell website. And here is where everything just went haywire. View available updates for Windows 7 64-bit. Windows 10 operating system. For this device, Dell does not support Windows 10 operating system. Now, okay, I should have really looked at this first, but Microsoft checked and said that your system is supported. No. Okay, and even when I did install, there was a problem with the sound card, so I had to go inside. Let's go back to that page. Okay. Where drivers? Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I should have saved it in favorites, shouldn't I? So yeah, so here it is. When I came down here and it said you have sound card issues, but this thing says that there is no Windows 10. It's defaulted me to Windows 7. So zoom in. Yeah, Windows 7. So I'm gonna have to change the OS. No Windows 10. No support from Alienware, Dell at all. So I have to go and change it to Windows 8. And it will refresh now in a second. Yeah. And I had to go download this driver for Windows 8. And now I'm using the Windows 8 driver for my Alienware in order to actually fix the issue. So the people that have got Alienware, you will have to do this. Otherwise, the speaker, the sound will work only from the onboard speaker, not from the headphones or even the microphone. All right, closing this, closing this, closing this, closing this. As I said, this is just a informative thing. So the other thing is, with Windows 10, which I realize is that it's actually way fast. Here's the settings, the privacy and all that. You can set your account with Microsoft, with your Microsoft, sign in with your Microsoft account instead. So you can set it up with your Microsoft account. You can set a couple of other things here. See, do you realize how fast it is? I've been just going in, closing, opening, closing, closing. Not to mention, I've got also, sorry, not to mention I've also got the store, which I can download things now from it. I didn't do that. I didn't have the store inside Windows 7, so I do have it inside Windows 10. Well, Windows 8 had the store. Windows 7 never had the store. So let's just try to see. Oh, there's Adobe Photoshop Express. I don't want that, to be honest. As a Kindle, I can install that Kindle now. Okay, so movies and shows, TV shows. Let's see free movies. Okay, so here's all sort of different free movies, apps. Let's see if Kodi is inside the store. Don't think so, but there it is. Oh, look, there is Kodi's, but there is a XBMC Buddy for $119. Yeah, you go ahead and buy it if you want to. Okay, apps. Okay, so I hope you guys know that I have actually not said I recommended Windows 10 until I actually fully tested this. I basically killed the hell out of it by testing every single thing. I had to use my Microsoft certified system engineer, the MCSE, to actually, bags of tricks so I get this thing working for myself. But obviously, because it was not supported device by Windows 10, even though that Windows 10 did say it is, That's why it took a very long time. So I'm going to try to actually switch on the camera and let's see what... okay. Alright, so the camera does work. Hello guys, how you doing? Oh, got this thing here. Oh, Microsoft Office is starting up. I don't know what's going on here. Let's hope it doesn't blue screen on me right now while I'm recording. If it does, I'm not gonna send this out anywhere. What's this? What is it doing? Retry. God's sake, man! Nobody asked you to boot up anyway. Get away! I'm gonna move it to the second screen. Yep, the second screen here. Haha. Good thing I've got a second. What's happening here? Don't care. Oh, what is that? I don't know what it's doing. I'm gonna click cancel on this thing. Oh, I can't even cancel. Well, I had Office 2013 before I actually did the upgrade. So I'm not sure if I can actually record games while I'm doing this. So I'm going to see if the game is going to work well. Don't forget, this is a Alienware is a game in PC. So let's just take a look. StarCraft. Yes, I play StarCraft. Ooh, big surprise. I'm not sure what's happening with this thing here. So my button, my button actually loaded up very fast. That's new for me. I don't usually get Battle.net to work very fast like this. Let's see. Waiting for another installation to update. So I can't play until this thing is finished. Oh, what's this? Microsoft Office. Yeah, of course. Do it. Restart now. But acquire Battle.net has been downloaded. You must restart the application. Okay, let's restart the application. Oh. And of course, now we're initializing the download. Yep. Windows 10. Well, download is going well. But that's just Battle.net stuff. That's nothing to do with Microsoft. But the point is that Microsoft actually allowed me to, Windows 10 allowed me to download all this now. And by the way, they didn't help a lot at all with anything. No, they didn't. Don't care what they say. They actually did not help me a lot. What's this? What's happening here? Close. Okay. Alright, let's just play. See if that works. I have no idea if this is going to work, so... Ooh. I'm right next to her. Hey, what's up, girl? How you doing? Although she's got snakes coming out from her head, she's still good looking. I don't know if you guys play StarCraft, but there you go. It is a very slow game, startup wise. Okay, here we go. Authenticating. I don't know if you can hear that noise. Let's go to campaign. Okay. Hearts of the Swarm. Wings of Liberty. Let's go to Hearts of the Storm. Let's continue. What's this? Just restart. It looks like all my saved games are gone. A lot of people actually send new messages right now. That's why you're hearing beep, 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 beep. They send new messages saying that, is the Windows 10 working? Is Windows 10 working? You know, we want to install something. We want to get it. So I'm testing it, man. Please wait while we try to connect you. While it tries, Sarah Kerrigan is in power. Okay, I'm just looking at the message. Do you see the message down there? It's down there. It says Sarah Kerrigan is a powerful hero unit with a special ability. You can select her by pressing F3. Okay, press any key to continue. I do not. Okay, F3. Okay, he's talking, but I'm not listening to anything. That's because I switched him off. It's probably because I'm talking as well. Oh, allow access, of course. Just jumped away. Where are we? I think he's talking, but it's not. I'm not hearing anything. I think I better. Let me see if I can change the menu option. Sound. That's the music. Yeah, I can't hear anything. I'm gonna go with the fact is because I'm recording, so that's why. Oh, okay, so do this. Holy crap! No, sorry. That was bad. So that's Jim Rayner, and that's Kerrigan. See if anybody's here. Nope, nobody's here. Let's go the other way. I don't know what Jim Rayner just said. Oh, they locked the doors. Come here. There's a health point. You know, you get the point. Let's just close this game. Quit campaign? Yeah, quit. Just exit. Okay. In fact, I'm gonna press Alt F4. See what happens. Yeah, we're out. We're out of the game. Shame. I really like the game. I got no time to play though. I'm gonna move away from recording myself. Record just normal. So this is part of the test to see if this works. I had loads of. Okay, let's go to Kodi to see if the Kodi is. That's what most people like to see me do. Anyway, so let's go. So here, how are you guys? So let's just see how do I record this? How you guys doing today? So Kodi's here. We got a new add-on called. Do I have a new add-on? I don't have a new add-on. Oh, let's just take a look at the Operation Ultimate. Let's see what they got. PPV pay-per-view.
But this
Oh,
is something
holy macramole! The pay-per-view UFC is actually a very nice link. Oh my god, that is really good link. I gotta admit, Operation Robocop Team Dev is really cool. Recently, they've actually teamed up with Hackmech. I don't know who the heck. I don't know who the heck is, but here's the Facebook address. You can actually try to join up. It is a secret group. It's not a public group, so you won't be able to search for it. Let's take a look at programs. Let's of course do the normal thing. To speed up my Kodi, I need to go to Programs, Maintenance Tools, General, Clear the Cache. That's what you normally do anyway. And of course you have to purchase packages. Otherwise, Kodi will be very slow. Of course, here's a cheat. If you're using my own skin, well, not my own skin, sorry, it's a Confluence skin. It's a very nice skin. Oh, got update failed. I'm not sure what that is. But here you go. Click on one channel. There's loads of different. Hold on. Let's go to Hello. Hello TV, Sport Live TV, football, cartoon, movies and series, cartoons, Streamix. Not sure what that is. Became a brand partner. Alright, maybe I don't know what that is. You click home, get over and done with. So the Windows 2010 is working. See me play game. See me play Kodi. Let's see if I can actually do a Airplay onto this, because I mean I have an Airplay. Well, I have Airplay software here. This one. So I've got this. So I'm gonna try now to do Airplay for my phone. So that's mirror Airplay. You've got. I've just initiated it. I see. I've got loads of messages. So let's take a look. Well, here is Kodi on it as well. Live media, Amazon Fire Play. Oh, TV player. See if this works. By the way, this is on the App Store. You can actually download it. Really nice. It's got all sorts of different Freeview apps. Freeview? Free IPTV, I mean. IPTV apps become, here's BBC News, for example. Yeah, there you go. So, Airplay works fine. Let me just, let's try this again. I'm just going to show you something.
Who infected everyone with her great spirit.
Back, brilliant. He infected everyone with their great spirits. Who infects everyone with spirits? Ghosts. Okay. Let's go into. Sorry. Let's go into. Oh, I don't know what to go to. Oh, let's say you wanted to go to Husham.com from here. No, actually, let's just go to here. I'm gonna type in Husham.com. And let's say you wanted do this. Yeah. So let's just say now you want. Oh yeah, you saw that, for example, less links for in a sport, and you wanted to use it on your iPhone. It's very simple, really. You just click it, copy it like this, copy, and now close it. Go into VLC on your iPhone. Click the top left button there till you see like open network stream. Now you see the address there. You copy the address that you just typed in, paste, open, see if this works. Wonderful. So that's loads of M3U files will work. Of course, if you don't want them to work on your iPhone, there's also VLC on the Google Play, or you can actually VLC in the computer, or create your own M3U file, and I'm sure you could do that here. See, video M3U from the Husham.com. How do you open? There's 53 people who watch this video. Here you go. Let's open up on YouTube. How do you open up on YouTube? I can't open up on YouTube. Okay. Oh, there it is. There's a button. They've changed the way that this works. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna change it sideways. Oh, I also cannot play this video using Microsoft Direct Show. That's just terrible. It's terrible. This goes. See, that didn't work. That's Airserver issues, not Microsoft. So I'm going to switch off this, switch it back on. There, that's Airplay for you. It's working fine. As far as I'm concerned, everything is working fine. This with this new Airserver program. Okay, Okay, so far it's okay. I gotta tell you something. I was not expecting to be wowed in Windows 10, and I don't get a wow feeling from Windows 10. It's just another Windows. I've had Windows 8 on my family computers, and I've also got a touchscreen laptop with Windows 8, which I'm going to be upgrading so I can see the touchscreen. So let's just go and click here. But the fact that Windows 10 is working is fine. I insisted I had loads of blue screen. I insisted to get the Windows 10 working. Only because I want this. I want this when it comes out, it needs Windows 10. So I want this. Yeah, I want to be prepared for this. Watch the video. Let's watch the video.
Look around.
Let's move it forward. Let's forward. I did move forward. Here you go. You guys must have seen this on my website many times. HoloLens. Yeah, I want to be prepared for HoloLens. So in order to get prepared for HoloLens, I have to get Windows 10. In order to get Windows 10, I have to get rid of the blue screen of death, the BSOD. That's what they call it. That's the technical term. That's not. I'm not making that up. BSOD. But mind you, some people actually translated it to something else. I know what bullshit. Right. So, guys, Windows 10 is working for me. It's stable. It has been stable for the last, I think, 2 hours, 3 hours now. So I thought better share it with you guys. It's been working. I have rebooted this several times. A simple reboot after the upgrade did not do it. I had to actually fix it using a memory dump by fixing the issue. It looks like a driver issue. A couple of drivers, actually. No, loads of drivers. Several drivers. And it was pointing to the wrong driver. It was pointing to firewall 16, which has nothing to do with the problem at all. And I looked at the memory dump. It was actually a different driver altogether. One of them was the IDE port driver, because this Alienware has got different type of SATA ID and plus SSD on it. So also the other one has got the sound card drivers. The other one has got the wireless drivers. Wireless drivers were making me nuts. Basically, the network card drivers were not working well with Windows 10, because the standard way that the Alienware does, it gives you 2 Wi-Fi cards, and I think one of them was conflicting. So I had to remove one, keep the other one, and update that one to allow it to transfer data. The transfer rates is fine. I'm still getting a good transfer rate between me and my router. But I gotta tell you, if I want to do like more things with this with this built-in wireless, more things like things that you wouldn't think of doing normally, then I wouldn't be able to, like scan for Wi-Fi, for example. Not that I do that. Yeah, so I don't know how long I've recorded this, so I'm gonna record this and upload it into my PC help guide. I'll see you guys later. Have fun. Enjoy the shows with my other YouTube channels, which is the Husham, Memar, and the XPMC, Kodi, and the Arabic one as well. And I'll see you guys later. So thank you very much for watching. شكرا جزيلا لرؤيتك لهذا الفيديو. Hasta la vista, babies. Bye bye.